Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my Glow for It box by Walmart. I think Walmart came out with 4 boxes. This is for, I wasn't going to do them then. I ended up picking this one up at Walmart the other day because by the time that I realized they had these boxes, they was already sold out on most of them online, and you had to end up picking them up at the store, and my store didn't really have all of them, and I think they made one, the Glow It, I think they made a eyes and a hair, and I'm not really sure what the other one is, but I was thinking there was 4 boxes. But I'm going to share this box with you guys. And it is supposed to be the Glow It for It, the favorite highlighters. So you get 5 items in it, and on the inside it just looks like this. And it's a shimmery skin that stuns. We have handpicked our top highlighters and other goodies to give your face a youthful, dewy radiance. Very excited. And it says, if you love the results, show us your look at hashtag Wal Mart Beauty. Okay, so the first thing is, and it is a mask I found. It is a coconut sheet mask, and it is 94% natural. And it also says ancient ritual used for centuries in Southeast Asia. Coconut is known for its multi-purpose use. Now I have got a few of the found masks in my Walmart Beauty boxes that we get once a quarter. So I have tried them. Okay, so our next thing is, it is a Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and it is in the color Precision Petals. I actually picked up another one at Walmart while I was there, but in a different color. I didn't even think about that when I bought it, but here it is, and it is a beautiful color. That is just so pretty. And let me grab them. Look at highlighters, to me, they're when I put my makeup on, it's something that I always do, even if it's a light day or if I'm doing a lot of makeup. It's just my favorite thing anymore to do. Okay, so we're going to move on to our second thing, and it is the Hard Candy. And the color is rose gold, and it comes in 3 different shades are in here. It's got a really like a white one, then a light brown, then a dark brown. Now the first 2 colors I know I can use for sure. Now the darker brown, I'm really not for sure. Maybe like on my eyes or something, but I'd really think these are beautiful, and they show up so pretty. Okay, and our next thing is if I can get it out, and it is the Vitalist Healthy Glow, and it says number 3 highlighter. I don't know what that means, but it is like a brown. I'm not sure if I can use this one, but we will try. And it is so creamy. I think I can make that work. I really like that. And you get a pretty good size amount in here. So far, everything but the brown, which the brown I could probably use on my eyes, so I guess everything will work. And let me see, the last thing in our box is by Milani. I know the name of that. Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. And it is to hydrate, illuminate, and set. And this is actually supposed to last 16 hours. So we will see. Let me set my makeup with it. I didn't use nothing else today. As you can see, it don't have like no bad smell, so that's a plus. All in all, I liked everything that came in my box. The sheet mask being my least favorite because right now I've got probably 100 sheet masks to use. My next thing was the Wet n Wild, and then the setting spray, and then these two. I don't know. And I think the Healthy Glow is actually by CoverGirl, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it is. It is by CoverGirl. Okay, so that is everything I got in my Walmart Glow It kit. What was your guys' favorite? Mine being the Wet n Wild and the spray. I'll find that in a minute. But let me know. Hit that like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And you guys have a good day.